Have you ever thought about buying your own vending machine that sells snacks? I did, and here's how much money it makes and how it works. I bought this vending machine off of Facebook Marketplace for the princely sum of $800. We go to Sam's Club a couple times a week and buy snacks for this one, as well as my drink vending machines. You put money in it and you can buy stuff. These are about $1.25. They cost 60 cents a piece. You can't get the $1 bills with one hand, you need two, so just trust me, that's what's in this one right here. The quarters go in here and they end up in a profit bucket down here. I dump the quarters in an old coin sorter and let it run for a while so I know how much I made. It's $15 in ones and then 710 quarters here, which is about $177. Half of that's approximately profit. So I made around $90 in 4 days, which isn't too bad.
Hey guys, let's see how much my $600 Coca-Cola machine made this week. First, we have to open it up and check the level of pop. We're pretty good. Looks like we need some Mountain Dew. Everything else looks good. We're going to open up the door and collect delicious $1 bills in the dollar bill hopper. Got a nice stack here. Cool. Putting that back, and we're going to get the change hopper, which is down here. Ooh, I found a dime, so that's my bonus today. Put that in there. Put these dollars in the bill stacker. Go over to the change machine, fill it up, and let it go. $385 quarters. Now we're going to put it into the bill counter. A lot of you ask how much it costs to run the machine, and those numbers are posted on the screen too.
Hey guys, it's time to see how much money my laundromat made, and today I have little time, so we're opening up these 3 washers here. These usually make the most money, and this is about a week, maybe 6 days worth of running on these. I have a total of 20 machines that collect money inside the laundry, so this is just 3, and it got stuck. Oh boy. Look at all the delicious quarters. Now we're going to run through my coin machine and see how much money is here. Dump them in without dying. There they go, spinning around. $1,535, just $383. A lot of curious people want to know how much my quarter pusher makes. If you haven't seen one of these machines before, you have the chance of winning about $10 by putting a quarter in the top. The quarters drop down onto this playing field and they drop, and if you're lucky, they push in quarters onto a profit collection bucket. Quarters will come out, and these are your winnings for the machines. On the side of each machine is a field that will actually drop into a secret bucket below the machine in an armored door. This is how I collect profit from the machine. Now it's time to count how much money I made during this collection period. We drop it into my coin sorter, and this is the absolute most enjoyable part because I press the power button and then coins start flying and shooting out the machine at a high rate of speed. It's very clickety-clackety, which I truly enjoy. We made 3,312 quarters over this period. I try to refill my coin sorter and I do a very poor job. Now it's time to grab money like I am in a video game